Make word combination using a word from each box. Look at A and B opposite to help you. Bloom, stain, breath, stone, plural, room, productive, couch, vocal, resonance. Reading the question using words that are better nouns to patients. Look at A opposite to help you. It is your coat productive? Do you coat up any peeling? It is loose coat. 2. What color is the spoon? What color is the film? 3. It is ever purple. It is ever yellow. 4. Have you ever had hemoptysis? Hemoptysis. I have you noticed any blooming? 5. Do you suffer from dysnomia? Any problems with your breathing? Are you the following statement true or false? Give reasons for your answer using your medical knowledge. And A and B opposite to help you. 1. A patient who has a lost coat produce limb, feeling, or phlegm. 2. Crackle are here when the airways are narrow. 3. A patient who has a non-productive coat produce spasm. 4. Wheezes are typical of pleurisy. 5. A pleural roof is a sign of asthma. 1. True, a productive coat is often described as loose. A coat may be productive where the patient's coat up to a spasm. The patient's coat up spasm. 2. Face crackles suggest the presence of fluid in the lungs. 3. False. A coat may be non-productive where there is no spasm. 4. False wheezes indicate narrowing of the airways, the sound of an starved patient. Breathing is also called where. 5. False. The sounds heard when the pleural surface are inflamed, as in pleurisy, is called a pleural rhumb.